Hey, in this video, I will show you how to buy crypto on the Binance app. It's actually a very simple tutorial that works the same way on any iPhone and on any Android device. So before we start, just make sure you give the video a like for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe if you are new. We just hit 14,000 subscribers, which is great. So let's jump right into it. What you want to do is just open the Binance app. If you don't have it, sign up with the link in the description down below. It's an affiliate link, so you're helping out the channel a lot. So open the Binance app. And if it looks like this for you, I'll show you an easier way to switch it to Binance Lite. All you gotta do is click on your profile icon at the top left corner and turn on Binance Lite. So it looks a little bit simple. If you're new, it's the easiest way to do it. You don't need margin, leverage, futures, all of these options. So now to buy crypto, for example, let's say that we want to buy some BNB. Click on the currency that you would like to buy, and it kind of looks like Robinhood. You click on trade. For example, you can buy worth for $100 worth of currency, or you can buy, one BNB. Then click on buy, and now it will show you different options available for your country. So I can pay via card, which is only $1 and €1.12 difference from a cash balance. But yeah, it's instant, so that's pretty good. If this video helped you out, give me a like, and I want to see you in one of the next videos. Bye.